Ultrasonic testing for railway weld integrity. Ultrasonic waves. The device generates ultrasonic waves, typically 1 to 10 MHz, using a piezoelectric transducer. Wave propagation. These waves travel through the material, reflecting back when encountering interfaces such as cracks, voids, or inclusions.
This test is considered one of the important and necessary methods to know the failure that may occur in welding and to obtain a safe railway line. This test is conducted on site using a device that depends on sending rays with a power of 3 to 4 MHz, 3 to 4 MHz, directed at the welding area at different angles, 0, 37.5 or 45, 60, 70 degrees, where the location of the failure appears on the device screen and its distance from the iron surface. This test is conducted for all welding points in the line. This test is classified as one of the non-destructive tests, NDT, that are performed on railway iron, and through it, the defect that occurs in the welding, its depth and location, can be identified, as well as
ultrasonic waves. Couplant. A gel or liquid applied to the rail surface to ensure efficient sound wave transmission. UT unit processes the signals and displays results on a screen as waveforms or images. Apply a couplant to reduce signal loss due to air gaps. The transducer emits a pulse of ultrasonic waves into the weld and surrounding areas. Reflected waves are picked up by the transducer and sent to the device for analysis. The device converts these reflections into waveforms or images. No defect, uniform, predictable reflections. Defect. Present distorted or additional signals due to irregularities. The time taken for the wave to return, time of flight, helps locate the defect. The amplitude and shape of the signal give insights into the defect's size and nature. Cracks. Porosity. Lack of fusion. Time of flight diffraction, TOFD, accurately measures defect size by analyzing diffracted waves. Real-time results, immediate feedback for quality control. This method ensures the structural integrity of railway welds, enhancing track safety and durability.
Dear readers, you can download this book, which is a comprehensive research on railway lines, from the Amazon Kindle website. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment and like the video.